Thank you for visiting NashvilleHardscape.com, your Nashville hardscape specialist. Here we are today doing a retaining wall repair. Right here we're taking apart the old block. We're going to dig out around where the old block was, put in a new thick footer, and then we'll put in the new block that we have right over here for a brand new retaining wall. We'll check in later. Here's more of the retaining wall. Here's an update of how things are coming along. And we'll check back in later again. And here's the finished retaining wall. Here's our finished retaining wall with concrete on top of it for a cap to match the existing wall that we tied into. Thank you for visiting NashvilleHardscape.com, your Nashville hardscape specialist.